Korea's #1 award-winning chicken and beer chain na may 400 branches worldwide. Ito ang daily beer na finally meron na ding second branch sa Philippines located sa SM City Fairview. I tried 6 different flavors of their chicken and these are my personal favorites. #1 yung crunch cause it's really crunchy and slightly spicy naman siya. Second yung sriracha, sour and spicy ang taste profile. Third yung Angry Bird Black cause it's sweet and garlicky. You can also try Angry Bird Red, ito yung spiciest nila but for me, tolerable ang anghang. For kids, I suggest Honey Golden and the original flavor was really juicy and proper ang coating ng chicken. All this are perfect pair for a Korean craft beer and I'm telling you, ang sarap ng K-Red Lager kasi light and smooth lang pag ininom mo. And if you're seeing this beer mug, ang lamig niyan lalo. They also have Cajun Sing Lager and coffee porter. Other than chicken, they also have Korean style salads, cheese balls, tteokbokki, and mas try itong hot dog with ice cream. It tasted like the one I had in Myeongdong Night Market. You can easily find daily beer kasi upon entrance lang siya and I took a screenshot of the menu for you guys so you can use this